Best USA Travel Insurance. Hello and welcome to my channel, Top USA Entertainment. In this video, I'm going to show you the best options for travel insurance when traveling in the United States. Whether you're a tourist or a business traveler, it's important to have insurance coverage so that you're protected in case of an emergency. Stay safe on your trip by watching this video now. When looking for the best USA travel insurance, you should consider factors such as cost, coverage, and customer service. You'll want to find an insurance provider that offers reliable coverage at a reasonable price. Additionally, make sure that they have helpful and knowledgeable customer service representatives who can answer any questions or concerns you may have about their policies. Allianz offers a variety of travel insurance plans to fit your individual needs, and they offer coverage for trips within the United States as well as international trips. Plans include medical coverage, trip cancellation protection, and 24/7 customer service. History of Allianz? Allianz is one of the world's largest and most experienced insurers, providing coverage for over 100 million customers in more than 70 countries. Founded in 1890 as Allianz AG, the company has grown to be an industry leader across a range of insurance offerings. Allianz offers travel insurance plans designed with travelers in mind, offering excellent coverage and customer service. Products and services provided by Allianz. Allianz provides travel insurance plans tailored to the needs of travelers. Plans cover medical expenses, trip cancellation and interruption, rental car coverage, baggage protection, and more. Allianz also offers 24/7 customer service in the event of an emergency. Reasons to choose Allianz. Allianz is a reliable and reputable insurer with over 130 years of experience. Their travel plans are designed to give travelers the protection they need at a reasonable cost. Additionally, their customer service department is available 24/7 to answer any questions or concerns. Benefits of using Allianz. 1. Wide range of plans. Allianz offers a variety of travel insurance plans to fit the needs of any traveler. 2. Comprehensive coverage plans include medical coverage, trip cancellation protection, and more. 3. 24/7 customer service. Allianz provides customer service support around the clock. 4. Affordable. Allianz offers competitive rates for their travel insurance plans. 5. Experienced provider. Allianz has been providing insurance solutions to customers around the world since 1890. 6. Reliable. Allianz is an industry leader with a long track record of reliability and customer satisfaction. 7. Convenient. Plans can be purchased and managed online, making it easy to stay covered while on the go. 8. Global coverage. Allianz offers plans for trips within the United States as well as international trips. 9. Security. Allianz provides the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're protected while traveling. 10. Recommendations. Allianz has been recommended by travel experts and publications around the world. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this and share this video.